Hi guys, I am Kriti and I know what you are thinking. Where has Kriti been? She hasn't posted any study vlogs for days. Well, let me tell you all. First, I went to the Ujjain for the darshan of Mahakal. So मैं गई थी उज्जैन। वहाँ हर जगह स्क्रीन्स लगी थी जहाँ पर महाकाल की आरती और उनका श्रृंगार हो रहा था एंड मंदिर बहुत ज़्यादा सुंदर था और मैंने वहाँ पर हर चीज़ बहुत अच्छे से एक्सप्लोर किया। उज्जैन में और भी बहुत सारे मंदिर हैं। अगर मैं दूसरी बार वहाँ जाऊँगी सो आई विल एक्सप्लोर दैट ऑल्सो। इफ़ यू गाइज आर ऑल्सो प्लानिंग अ फैमिली ट्रिप यू शुड डेफिनेटली विजिट उज्जैन एट लीस्ट वंस। After my darshan in Ujjain, I attended a wedding in Bhopal and honestly, I had such a great time there. The wedding atmosphere was so lively that I didn't study at all for almost a week. As at the end, the moments we live are the true essence of life. Because life isn't just about studies, it's also about living and cherishing the moments we have. So I decided to fully enjoy every moment. Now I think we should end this TED Talk now and let's get into the video. So in this video, I'll be showing you all how I prepared for my SST Pre-Board 1 exam. And now you'll be like, it's good that you are showing your SST Pre-Board preparation, but what about the rest of the exams? How did they go? So my reaction to it is, since I hadn't studied much, my exams didn't go as well as I had hoped. I can't say they were perfect, but I think they went okay. Due to all the distraction, I wasn't able to study properly. When I got back to my hometown, my exams started the very next day. So in a nutshell, because of all these things, I wasn't able to shoot the video, study and all of that. So I started my preparation around 4:41 p.m. with history. Chapter number 1, the rise of nationalism in Europe. Since there wasn't too much time, I opted for a quick revision and I watched a 30-minute or 35-minute kind of video from Sunlike Study. After the video, I revised the cheat sheet. Honestly, these cheat sheets turned out to be really helpful. The points were concise and easy to remember, which helped me to recall the whole chapter. And for anyone who is wondering, it's the 15 sample question paper book by PW, which is completely aligned with the syllabus of 2025 and includes 50% competency based questions. Now let's talk about its amazing features. So firstly, it has the self-assessment sheet that tells us where we are going wrong. Plus it has tips on how to rock our board exams and even instructions on filling the OMR sheet, a lifesaver for the first timer like us. CBSE past 5-year weightage and trend analysis, time structuring and many more. Then comes the contents and the best part, the cheat sheets. Each chapter summarized in just one page. For SST revision, these are literally a blessing. And it doesn't stop there. This book includes most probable questions that are selected from PYQs and CBSE 2024 solved paper with topper written answer, official CBSE sample papers with their solution, and this sample paper are next level. They are divided into easy, medium and hard with their detailed explanation for each one. And if you are someone like me who is always worried about silly mistakes, the section on how to nail your answers and mistakes to avoid will make sure that you don't lose marks unnecessarily. I have personally got this book for all of my 4 subjects, science, social science, English and maths, and I couldn't be happier. If you want to ace your exams too, you can grab this book on PW Store and don't forget to use my coupon code KGP150 for extra discount. So what are you waiting for? And guys, please ignore the blanket and the bag in the background. I hadn't noticed them while recording. Next, I realized that it wasn't practical to go through all the visual lectures, so I had to prioritize. So I decided to focus on geography and I begin with the chapter Manufacturing Industries and I opened a concept mapping video from PW channel, and instead of watching the entire video, I focused on reading the slides. This way, I could gain enough knowledge to attempt the answer confidently. And since I had already studied this chapter, it wasn't too difficult for me to understand the concepts, and whenever I have any difficulty, I resume to watch the video. And guess what? It turned out to be the right call. A question from this chapter actually appeared in my exam. The question was, how would you classify industries on the basis of ownership? So it really paid off. Then I had milk, which my mom has brought up for me. Later that night, I revised the chapter Mineral and Energy Resources. Since it was the first time studying this chapter, I made sure to roughly write down the key points while watching the lecture to help me remember them better. And honestly, this approach worked really well. I was lucky enough that a 5-marker question actually appeared in my exam. The question was the energy saved is energy produced, analyze the statement. And I was able to answer it confidently thanks to my preparation. So this is everything I managed to do a day before my SST exam. Now let's move on to the morning session because honestly, mornings before exams are magical as the concept we struggle with all year somehow make perfect sense on the morning of the exam. So I set my alarm for 5 am. Successfully, I even managed to wake up at 5 o'clock. And started with the map revision using the videos from Digraj Singh Rajput sir. But honestly, I was super sleepy. And to stay awake, I kept a map in front of me and I started marking in that. Still my eyes kept closing, so I thought chalo 5 minute ka nap le leti hu. But guess what? Those 5 minutes turned into 1 hour. I woke up at 7 am and I told myself that ab to padhna hi padega, exam hai. I then revised the chapter Print Culture and the Modern World using the rapid revision video from Digraj Singh Rajput sir. I haven't studied this chapter before. Fortunately, the question appeared in my exam. I confidently wrote the answer in my own words. Then I started revising Shubham Pathak ma'am 100 most important PYQs video. And that's how I prepared for my SST Pre-Board 1 exam. After the exam, I didn't even check my answers because I knew if something went wrong, it would shake my confidence and I wouldn't be able to upload this video. Honestly, I didn't study well this time because of all the distractions, but I promise I'll give my 100% for Pre-Board 2. That's it for today's video. See you in the next one. Till then, stay healthy, keep learning. Okay, bye.